Tell me if this happens to you. You sit down to study, books रख ली है, notes रख लिए हैं, पेन पेंसिल जो भी रखना था, water bottle, everything is there. And hype up भी किया आपने आपको सवेरे सवेरे कि भाई आज से पक्का 8 बजे से पढ़ाई करेंगे. And then notification आ जाता है कोई एक. Suddenly you're on Instagram, एक रील, 2 रील, 10 रील, 20 रील, 8 का 8 40 हो गया है. तो अब फिर हम क्या बोलते हैं कि यार 9 से शुरू करते हैं, राउंड फिगर है. 9 का 10 हो जाता है, 10 की शाम हो जाती है. एंड शाम को फिर हम बोलते हैं कि यार कल से पक्का, मतलब फ्रेश माइंड से स्टार्ट करेंगे कि आज का दिन तो निकल गया ऐसे ही. एंड कल द सेम थिंग रिपीट्स. एंड यू नो व्हाट द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज दैट दिस एंटायर टाइम कि भाई you're not mad that you did not study, but you didn't even enjoy because you were constantly feeling guilt, because in your heart you knew कि भाई मैं टाइम बर्बाद कर रहा हूँ. Even when you were scrolling reels, दिमाग में एक पीछे आवाज बोल रही थी constantly कि भाई क्या कर रहा है. Now मैं ये सब क्यों बता रहा हूँ? Because everything that I've just shared is something that I've gone through, something that I've experienced hundreds, thousands of times. And if any part of what I said feels like I'm describing your day, then by the end of this video, you'll understand why you procrastinate. And at the same time, I'll give you a neuroscience-backed tip that will help you resolve this problem from today itself. Not in 7 days, today. But first, I want you to do something for me. If you know you have a procrastination problem, just drop a comment on this video. Yes, I procrastinate. That's it. No explanation, no details, just those 3 words. Why? Because whenever we're trying to solve a problem, acceptance is the first part. And commenting is the smallest action that you can take right now in order to commit to that change. So if you procrastinate, drop a comment that yes, I procrastinate, and let's get started. So let me start by telling you what procrastination is not. It is not laziness. Lazy people don't want to do anything. You want to study. You want to crack civil services exam, one of the toughest exams in the country. You want to achieve big things in life. It's not even a time management problem. क्योंकि बेटर प्लानर नहीं चाहिए आपको. अगर प्लानर ही सोल्यूशन होता तो वी शेयर प्लान्स विद डेली टारगेट्स. मतलब एवरीबडी हु हैड सीन दैट वीडियो वुड बी क्लियरिंग इन देयर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. व्हाट इज इट एग्जैक्टली? प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन इज अ इमोशनल रेगुलेशन प्रॉब्लम. लेट मी से दैट अगेन. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ मैनेजिंग इमोशंस, नॉट टाइम. बिकॉज जब आप पढ़ने बैठते हो तो क्या होता है कि यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग लिटिल डिस्कम्फर्ट. मतलब थोड़ा हैवीनेस है, थोड़ा एजिटेशन है. एंड योर ब्रेन इज नॉट लेजी. It just wants to protect you from that discomfort. अब ये discomfort हो क्यों रहा है? क्योंकि आप देखते हो यूपीएससी का सिलेबस, prelims, mains, interview, optional, across the papers you have 20 plus subjects, and your brain does not see syllabus, it sees a threat from the fear that maybe even after all the effort that you put over here, you might still fail. And your brain has a very simple way of dealing with uncomfortable feelings. Avoid them. So what do? You watch your phone. Maybe you go get something to eat, you watch something, anything to avoid that uncomfortable feeling right now. You feel good for 10 minutes and then फिर वो uncomfortable feeling वापस आती है, stronger than before, and फिर वो avoidance भी वापस आता है, even stronger than before. It's a loop and it runs on autopilot. So let me tell you what's happening inside your brain. You have 2 systems that are constantly fighting each other. The first is the limbic system. Now this is the oldest part of your brain. It's impulsive, it's automatic. This is the part that wants comfort and safety and wants it right now. Not tomorrow, not after the exam, right now. This is the part of your brain that tells you that if something doesn't deal with the 4 F's, which is fight, flight, feed, or sex, then you can avoid it without consequences. The second part of your brain is the prefrontal cortex. This is the part that plans. This is where thinking happens. Now, this is the part that is telling you that you should study, and that made you plan कि अच्छा 15 दिन में पॉलिटी खत्म करना है. But the limbic system is the one that made you watch topper videos instead of opening Lakshmikant. Now, दो part है. Naturally, one is working for your benefit and the other is sort of working against you. But there is a much bigger problem. The limbic system is faster, much faster. It's instantaneous, whereas the prefrontal cortex takes time to activate. It needs a conscious decision for you to actually use it. So every time you sit down to study and you feel that wave of discomfort, तो होता क्या है? आपका limbic system it fires first before the prefrontal cortex can even activate. And ऐसे में it's not a decision that you're making. You just pick up the phone and you start scrolling, and it's automatic. So, like it or not, this is a feature of being human, not a bug. It's how we have evolved as human beings. And For hundreds of thousands of years, जो लिम्बिक सिस्टम है हमारा, it saved our life. क्योंकि टाइगर दिखा, you don't have time to stop and analyze that situation. You run instantly. The 4 Fs and the visceral reaction that the limbic system has to them saved your life multiple times. Now, the problem is कि the brain can't tell a difference between a tiger and CSAT. दोनों ही स्ट्रेस देते हैं and दोनों को ही सेम रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है कि भाई let's avoid this. So when you procrastinate, you are not broken. This is a feature of all human beings. And ऐसे में you have to keep in mind that you are running software in your head which is for a world that no longer exists. Practically speaking, you are maladapted for modern life. Now, understanding this is critical because once you stop, blaming yourself for procrastinating, you can actually start fixing the problem. Now, this is where it gets tricky. Most people think that procrastination means just watching reels all day या भाई सो गए, मतलब जो obvious kind of procrastination है. But there is a more dangerous kind, one that feels very productive. And planning is a perfect example of this. क्योंकि UPSC aspirants जब हम होते हैं तो भाई इतनी सारी चीजें करनी होती है तो we spend a lot of time just making plans. दिन में 3-4 घंटे अगर आप प्लानिंग कर रहे हो, कलर कोडेड टाइम टेबल बना रहे हो कि ये सब्जेक्ट यहाँ करेंगे वहाँ करेंगे, you end up feeling very productive. You feel like you have worked. But at the end of the day, पढ़ाई कितनी हुई? So, how do we solve this problem? We'll come to that in a bit. Remember at the beginning I asked you to drop a comment. अगर आपने किया तो बहुत ही बढ़िया, you took action and action is critical to beating procrastination. But if you did not, just think about for a moment कि भाई यहाँ क्या हुआ. आपको on a video about procrastination बोला गया कि भाई छोटा सा एक ये चीज़ करके आओ, 3 शब्द लिख के आओ, and your brain went बाद में करते हैं कि भाई ये तो बोलते रहते हैं कि भाई हर बार ऐसे कमेंट करने को बोलते रहते हैं एंगेजमेंट के लिए, and you procrastinated during a video about procrastination. If that's not proof that this system is automatic and you don't often control it, I don't know what is. So if you skipped writing that comment in the beginning, go do it now. I'll wait. So let me tell you a story about my procrastination problems because I think some of you will relate. तो ड्यूरिंग माई प्रिपरेशन डेज आई यूज टू प्ले ऑनलाइन चेस. मतलब लगता था ऐसा कि भाई इंटेलेक्चुअल एक्टिविटी है, थोड़ा स्ट्रेटेजिक थिंकिंग बनेगी, कैलकुलेशन एबिलिटी इंप्रूव होगी. ज्ञान दिया बहुत अपने आप को. मैंने बोला कि एटलीस्ट रील तो नहीं देख रहा हूँ. बट हियर्स द ट्रूथ, आई वॉज एक्चुअली यूजिंग चेस टू अवॉइड डूइंग द वर्क. जब भी ऐसा कुछ काम करना होता था, पढ़ाई करनी होती थी या वीक की प्लानिंग करनी होती थी, तो ब्रेन क्या बोलता था, एक चेस गेम खेल लेते हैं, प्रोडक्टिव ही है. एंड इट स्टार्टेड इनोसेंटली. मतलब आई स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग 3-minute गेम्स कि भाई ब्लिट्स के गेम्स खेल रहे हैं. बट इट गॉट टू अ पॉइंट कि भाई मैं बार बार चेस खेल रहा था. आई वॉज कंपल्सिवली ओपनिंग अप दैट पोर्टल एंड one thing led to another. Eventually I was playing ultra bullet chess games. 15 second के chess games, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है उसमें, कोई planning नहीं, कोई strategy नहीं. But even then I could tell myself, at least मैं Instagram तो नहीं देख रहा हूँ. And brain rot शायद थोड़ा कम हुआ हो, but the effect on my output was pretty much the same. I got nothing done. So this is what procrastination does at its most dangerous. It disguises itself. Chess was my avoidance. For a lot of you watching UPSC preparation videos where somebody else is talking about preparation and not preparing is your avoidance. तो अभी क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे क्या पूछना है कि भाई if what I am doing, क्या ये मुझे मेरी मंजिल के पास लेके जा रहा है या बस ये मुझे ऐसा फील करवा रहा है कि मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ और बस यहीं का यहीं खड़ा हूँ. क्योंकि for this we need some practical solutions and let's start with the first solution. So the first solution deals with environmental design. And इसका क्या मतलब है? When I knew that I had a problem with chess, I decided to do something about it. And the idea was simple. I installed a website blocker. Leech Block is a great example of this. इससे होता क्या है? It blocks out your website completely. Not after 30 minutes, not after any extension, completely. अब इससे हुआ क्या कि the moment I blocked every website, that habit loop broke. लिम्बिक सिस्टम अभी भी फायर कर रहा है कि भाई जब भी कुछ स्ट्रेसफुल होता है, पढ़ाई करनी है, प्लानिंग करनी है, बोलता है चेस खेल ले. बट अभी चेस की वेबसाइट ही नहीं खुल रही है. तो ये जो 3-4 सेकंड का डिले हुआ, इसमें योर प्री फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स हैड टाइम टू कैच अप. एंड दैट इज व्हाट द पॉइंट इज. Environmental design is when you are trying to introduce a delay between your first reaction and acting on it. How do you do that? By removing the triggers from your environment. For me, it was blocking chess website. But for you, if your phone is your procrastination trigger, it does not belong in your study room. ये नहीं कि साइलेंट पे है, नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ किया हुआ, नहीं. it does not belong in your study room. It has to be in a different room, maybe in a cupboard, somewhere where you will have to take more than 5 seconds in order to get to it. And the goal here is to increase friction between wanting to do something that you know is going to waste time and then actually getting to do it. Now, another great environmental design tip that I can give you is wear shoes before you sit to study. This works absolutely wonderfully, and क्यों? इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. Now, environmental design works for distractions that I can predict. But what about कि भाई कभी-कभार शुरू करने का ही मन नहीं करता है. This is where the 5-second rule comes in, and this is by far the most important insight of this video. क्योंकि जब मैंने बोला था कि भाई limbic system आपका fires first, fires faster than the prefrontal cortex, the gap between the two is about 5 seconds. And this is where procrastination lives, between that first impulse कि भाई चलना चिल करते हैं, चेस खेलते हैं, and you actually doing it. So here's the technique. Next time that you're feeling the resistance कि भाई यार ये करने का मन नहीं है, and कि भाई बिस्तर पे पड़े हो, किताब नहीं खोलनी, आंसर नहीं लिखना, जो भी है, do this कि भाई अपने आप को बोलो कि I am avoiding this क्योंकि मैं uncomfortable हूँ, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then move. Just get started. मतलब अगर लक्ष्मीकांत पढ़नी थी तो एक पेज पढ़ना शुरू करो, आंसर लिखना था तो एक सेंटेंस लिखना शुरू करो, कुछ भी और करना था, get on your desk and get started with doing it. क्योंकि करना क्या है कि when we do this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 reverse countdown, we are forcing our brain to activate the prefrontal cortex, and that is the most important part. क्योंकि research has shown once you get started, 80% of people actually complete the task that they wanted to do. The problem was getting started, and for that now you have a solution. Now the third solution is for the planners among you. मतलब मेरे लिए specifically ये बहुत बड़ी problem होती थी, तो I wanted to talk about this specifically. If planning is taking up more than 5% of your time, then it's not planning, it's procrastination. And this is what it will look like in practice. कि भाई prelims let's say आज से 100 दिन दूर है, तो आपके पास 5 दिन है total in order to plan, strategize कि भाई मैं क्या पढ़ूंगा, कैसे पढ़ूंगा, कब पढ़ूंगा. अगर आप वो 5 दिन already spend कर चुके हो, so then every further day that you spend on finding a new strategy, watching a new topper video, hoping कि भाई अच्छा इससे मुझे कुछ नया insight मिलेगा, is actually time you're taking away from doing the work of study. And here's the uncomfortable truth. A bad plan that you get started on immediately is much better than a perfect plan जो कभी शुरू ही नहीं होता है. तो जैसा भी आपका प्लान है, शुरू करो, एक चीज करो, आज शायद परफेक्ट ना हो, कल उसको इंप्रूव करना, धीरे धीरे स्टेप बाय स्टेप you'll get there. Because strategy is essential, but endlessly working on your strategy and improving it is procrastination. Now, if you're still watching this video 10 minutes in, I want you to think about what has just happened. क्योंकि YouTube पे 50% of the people are not watching a video after the first minute. And by the 4-5 minute mark, they have completely left. You did not. आपका जो लिम्बिक सिस्टम का इम्पल्स आ रहा था, वो जो साइड में आपको और शाइनी वीडियो दिख रही थी, नेक्स्ट रिकमेंडेशन में आ रही थी, you did not click on them. And you've already received a tool that will help you improve on your procrastination right from today itself. And अगर शुरुआत में आपने कमेंट भी किया था, तो look at what all has happened. You have pushed through your limbic system का first impulse. You have also committed to change, and that's what it requires. So congratulations. Now, जो ये solutions के बारे में हमने बात करी, these are things that will help you deal with procrastination from today itself. But in order to make them stick for the long term, you have to do something different. This requires a mindset shift. And I want you to hear this carefully, because you are not a procrastinator. You have a habit of procrastinating. And there's a big difference between the two. क्योंकि when I say I am a procrastinator, it is an identity statement. And identity is something that's hard to change. So I will give myself that justification जब भी मेरा मन करेगा ना करने का कि I am a procrastinator, I will procrastinate. But if it's a habit, I can teach you how to break it. I can teach you how to replace it. So stop calling yourself a procrastinator. Call it what it is. I have a habit of procrastinating. A habit that served the purpose of protecting you from जो stress हमें हो रहा था, but a habit that is no longer useful. So let's try and understand habit loops so that you can spot it in real time. Every habit has 4 parts: cue, craving, response, and reward. Now, cue क्या है? It is the thing that is giving you the stress. जो UPSC का सिलेबस देख लिया, एकदम से ऐसा लगा कि भाई कैसे होगा, क्या होगा. Second part आता है हमारा craving. Now, the stress is not directly causing you to procrastinate. The stress is just causing a craving, a desperate craving in your brain to avoid that stress or bypass that stress. And your brain is not craving Instagram. it's craving stress relief. Instagram is the delivery mechanism, and this is an important distinction. क्योंकि अगर आपको लग रहा है सिर्फ Instagram मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, तो you will replace Instagram with YouTube Shorts, eventually some other platform. आपको craving को address करना है. Now, response अगला part आता है. Response में we are actually doing the habit loop. Now, this is the most visible part of procrastination. This is where I'm opening that chess app, and this is that loop. The cue was stress. The craving was I want to release that stress. Response, open that chess loop. This is the part that the 5-second rule breaks. It allows you to replace this response with a new thing. Now, the fourth part, reward. The brain rewards itself by releasing dopamine कि भी अच्छा जो अब तक हमने लूप किया उससे या तो हमने स्ट्रेस को एस्केप कर लिया या हमने कुछ और चीज कर ली. But the idea is this loop of reward, that dopamine being released at the end, is what cements this in place. And you can use this to improve your habits in the long run. क्योंकि आप अपने आप को वो जो क्यू क्रेविंग रिस्पॉन्स को अगर चेंज करके रिवॉर्ड आपको तब भी मिलेगा. दिस ओवर टाइम, ओवर वीक्स, मतलब 21 दिन बोला जाता है, बट प्रैक्टिकली इट्स मोर लाइक 66 डेज. इफ यू डू इट फॉर 66 डेज, दिस विल बिकम द न्यू हैबिट. इंस्टेंट रिस्पॉन्स नहीं, 5 सेकंड का गैप लो एंड डू द थिंग दैट यू वांटेड टू डू. नाउ लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, नोइंग द 5-second रूल एंड प्रैक्टिकली उसको यूज करना एवरीडे लाइफ में, देयर आर 2 सेपरेट थिंग्स. सो हियर्स हाउ टू बिल्ड दिस इनटू अ सिस्टम. नंबर 1, रिड्यूस द नंबर ऑफ डेली डिसीजंस. डिसीजन फटीग एक रियल चीज है. मतलब हमारे ब्रेन का इतना ही कैपेसिटी होता है कि हम कुछ ही डिसीजन दिन में ले सकते हैं. एंड इफ even before I'm starting to study मैं 15 डिसीजन ले चुका हूं, तो I will already be tired and it will be very easy for me to procrastinate. How do I make this easier? Study at the same time, at the same place, with the same setup. सारी चीजें सेम रखो. कोई इस पे डिसीजन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है कि आज नीला पेन रखें या हरा पेन रखें. सेम पेन every day on your desk. A very big thing in this also is कि बैठने के बाद you should not decide कि आज मुझे क्या पढ़ना है. You should decide the previous night कि कल मुझे क्या पढ़ना है. This will reduce your decisions from the day, reduce fatigue, and make it easier for you to work. Now, second, use rituals. These are small, non-negotiable actions that you do before you sit to study. This could be as simple as कि I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee before I sit to study. या फिर कि मैं अपनी कुर्सी में 9 बजे बैठना है, तो बैठ गए तो काम भी हो जाएगा. It could be as simple as wearing shoes before you sit to study. Now, the ritual itself is not that important. What is important is the signal that it gives your brain. क्योंकि जब भी अब मैं जूते पहनूंगा तो मेरा ब्रेन क्या सिग्नल कर रहा है कि भाई पढ़ाई करने का समय हो गया है, चलो काम करते हैं. And over time, this ritual itself helps you overcome a little bit of that limbic system का resistance. Now, third has to do with building streaks. Procrastination, आज आप जीत जाओगे, बट कल फिर से यही लड़ाई लड़नी है. तो for that reason, have streaks. Visible एक कैलेंडर अपनी डेस्क पे रखो कि भाई अच्छा घंटे मत गिनो. Have no 0 days. ऐसा दिन कोई नहीं जाना चाहिए जहां पे बिल्कुल काम नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज आपकी स्ट्रीक रीसेट हो जाएगी. एंड उस चीज को धीरे धीरे बिल्ड करते रहो. नाउ इन दिस देयर इज ऑल्सो अ सेकंड पार्ट व्हिच इज फॉरगिव योरसेल्फ सम बैड डेज. हमारी जिंदगी में कभी ना कभी ऐसे मोमेंट्स आते हैं जहां पे इमरजेंसी हो गई, आप बीमार हो गए, नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स कैन हैपन. डोंट बीट योरसेल्फ अप ओवर द फैक्ट कि नहीं ये कैसे हो गया, मेरी स्ट्रीक क्यों टूट गई. इट्स ओके, दीज थिंग्स हैपन. बट वंस योर स्ट्रीक इज ब्रोकन, it is your job now to reset it the very next day. Don't wait for कि भाई Monday से करेंगे, don't wait for first से करेंगे. Start from today itself. Now, your problem was never intelligence. आपके पास एक procrastination का problem है and you're trying to solve it. That signals intelligence. It was never a lack of knowledge. आपको पता है कौन सी किताबें पढ़नी है. It was never even laziness. Lazy people civil services clear करने के सपने नहीं देखते हैं. It was a pattern. An automatic system that your brain runs to protect you from stress and discomfort. And a pattern that you now know how to disrupt. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.